behalf of the organizing and the scientific committee, it is my great pleasure to extend a heartfelt welcome to all otorhinolaryngologists, head and neck professional, to the EROC Global Forum 2026, taking place from January 15th to 17th, 2026 in the vibrant city of Dubai, United Arab Emirates at InterContinental Festival City. As we celebrate the 15th edition of EROC Congress, we are proud to make this important milestone with a truly global gathering. This achievement has been made possible thanks to the continued support of our partner, faculty, and attendees from all around the world. Your contribution have played a pivotal role in shaping EROC into one of the leading forums in the field. We are delighted to announce that this year's edition will be combined meeting with distinguished international societies, including the Union of European Phoniatricians, the Japanese Society of Otorhinolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery, the Korean Society of Otorhinolaryngology Head and Neck Society, and for the third consecutive year with the American Academy of Otolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery. EROC Global Forum 2026 will offer an expansive and inclusive scientific program covering major topics across the whole area of otorhinolaryngology head and neck surgery. These include otology, neuro-otology, cochlear implant, rhinology, skull-based surgery, endoscopic sinus surgery, allergy, hearing, speech and swallowing, and much more. In addition, there will be a special focus on women in ENT and on young physicians who are entering and shaping the future of specialty. We are excited to bring together renowned experts from ASEAN countries, the Middle East, North Africa, India, subcontinent, South Korea, Japan, and Asia Pacific region, and Western region such as Europe and USA, Canada, and South America, to share insight, discuss clinical challenge, and foster innovation. The EROC Global Forum is more than just a congress. It is an all-inclusive and expansive gathering of the brightest minds and most dedicated professionals in our field. We invite global partners to be part of this unique platform and contribute to a worldwide dialogue that promotes excellence in learning, understanding, and knowledge change. We are also encourage attendees to submit abstract with opportunity to win awards and gain recognition for their research, innovation, and hard work. Whether you are a seasoned expert or an emerging leader in the ENT, this is your chance to make and mark on the global stage. Why attending EROC Global Forum 2026 is essential. Raises awareness on the diseases of otorhinolaryngology, head and neck surgery, as well as surgical procedures. Encourage to immerse yourself in a wealth of knowledge, networking, and opportunities. Strengthen global collaboration through combined meeting with international otorhinolaryngology head and neck surgery organizations. Keep yourself updated and support the progress of otorhinolaryngology head and neck surgery health. I warmly welcome you all to Dubai, where the January weather is perfect for exploration, from the iconic Burj Khalifa and lively downtown Dubai to the beautiful of the desert, world-class restaurants, and the charm of shopping in both old and new Dubai city. The city offers an unforgettable experience. Additionally, you can enjoy award-winning international golf courses, thrilling dune drives, and immerse yourself in Dubai's rich culture and modern lifestyle. Welcome you to EROC Global Forum 2026 in Dubai. Come to listen, come to contribute to the future. Come, we offer you inspiring, enriching, and unforgettable experience. We are looking forward to see you in Dubai. Don't miss this event.